Isang pagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic natin ngayon is when Israel becomes like the new Sodom. Judges 19 records one of the darkest moments in Israel's history. During this time, the nation had already drifted apart from God. The Bible repeatedly says that in those days, everyone did what was right in his own eyes. Without submission to God's law, Israel slowly adopted the sinful practice of the nations around them. When a Levite and his concubine stayed overnight in the town of Gibeah, the men of the city surrounded the house and demanded to abuse the visitor. Their behavior strongly mirrored the weak men or Sodom. In Genesis 19, the same violent corruption that once marked pagan cities and now appeared among God's own people. The tragedy of his story is not only the violence itself, but what it reveals about Israel's spiritual condition. The nation that God has chosen to reflect His holiness had become morally indistinguishable from the nation God had once judged and removed from the land. The passage reminds us that when people abandon God's word, sin does not remain small or private. Human hearts naturally drift toward deeper corruption. Without God's truth shaping a culture, even those who once knew God can become like the societies they once condemned. This story is a sobering warning. A nation that turns away from God will eventually resemble the evil it once opposed. So, ayon po sa Judges chapter 19 verse 20 to 25. So, di ko na po siya babasahin. Dadako na po tayo sa ating katuruan. Israel reject God. So, ibig sabihin ito, tinanggihan ng Israel ang Diyos bilang kanilang Lord at Guide. Sa halip na sundin ang kanyang mga utos, pinili nilang sundin ang sarili nilang kagustuhan. So, kapag ang isang tao bansa ay lumalay sa Diyos, nawawala ang moral direction nila. And Israel embraced other gods. So, hindi lang sila tumalikod sa Diyos, tumanggap pa sila ng ibang Diyos at idols. Sa modern context, hindi lang literal na idols, pwede itong maging money, power, pressure, fame, and self. Next is, Israel became like the evil nations God destroyed. So, dahil ginaya nila ang ibang nations, naging katulad sila ng mga bansang dati nang inatulan ng Diyos. Sa madaling salita, naging corrupt din ang kanilang culture. And sa applications naman po, guard your heart from adopting worldly values and ground your life in the truth of God's words. And clarify God by living differently from corrupt culture. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.